might probably think that brushing your teeth is something that you already know, but there are few misconceptions among people in brushing their teeth. So in this video, I'll be showing the right method on how to brush your teeth, which is going to be really worthwhile. So what are the common mistakes of brushing your teeth? So some people brush your teeth in a horizontal motion, like in a back and forth motion, or in a vertical motion, that is up and down motion, or in a round motion. Some give too much of pressure on their teeth surface, which is going to injure their gums or wear off their tooth enamel. And if you brush your teeth for a very long period of time, so always brush your teeth twice a day, one in the morning and then the last in the night. Always use a soft bristled toothbrush and brush your teeth for a full of 2 minutes. So the most accepted and universal method of brushing is called as modified Bast method. So normally we keep our toothbrush perpendicular to our teeth surface or straight towards our teeth. But in this technique, you have to tilt the toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees towards your gum line. So now give few vibrations over your outer surface of the teeth and then pull off your toothbrush from upward to downward motion for all the upper teeth. You have to repeat these movements 3 times for all the sets of teeth. So keep in mind, each toothbrush head is going to cover 3 sets of teeth. Now move on to the lower sets of teeth. So you are going to give few vibrations and now pull off your toothbrush from downward to upward motion. So repeat the same movements for all the sets of lower teeth. Now moving on to the inner surface of the teeth, so which is near to your tongue. Now give few vibrations and then pull off your toothbrush from upward to downward motion for the upper teeth. For the lower inner surface of the teeth, give few vibrations and then pull off your toothbrush from downward to upward motion. So repeat it for 3 times for all the sets of teeth except for the inner surface of the upper and the front teeth. Here you have to place the toothbrush in a vertical motion. So this part you call it as the heel of the toothbrush head. So with the help of the heel of the toothbrush head, we are going to move it in a vertical motion. So likewise you have to brush your inner surface of the upper and the lower front teeth. So most of us might feel difficult in using this technique and then we might probably shift towards our regular or old technique. But what are the advantages of using this technique is that you might remove the food deposits or plaque which is formed between your teeth and your gums. Number 2, you prevent bad breath or halitosis. Number 3, you prevent the formation of tooth decay or dental caries. Number 4, you can prevent frequent visits to your dentist. So using this technique, 70 to 80% of the plaque formed or the food deposits can be removed. So keep in mind the remaining 20% can be removed only by dental flossing. So if you like this video, please share and follow for more dental tips. Thank you.